Oh my god. Mm. I'm having dinner right now. So, what went wrong yesterday? Oh my god. Yesterday was a mess. I recorded myself in a time of stress. Uh, well, that surely made for a different podcast, but yeah. Oh god, I was in stress. Today was a decently healthy diet day. I ate some junk food, but it wasn't too much. It was in limit, so that's fine. Um, I had soup today. Tomato soup was pretty good. It was actually leftover from yesterday, so I had to drink that. Nobody else in my house drinks soup. My parents eat unhealthy food all the time. I don't know. Uh, it's because I think they think that they need to eat good food because I think one day they won't be able to eat it. So yeah, there's that. Yesterday was a pretty stressful day because, as I told you, I think a few days ago. I don't know if this is the first time you are listening to me, or you've been following me. I deleted a picture of my crush, uh, so that I could move on. I stopped talking to her for 3 days. Yesterday noon, I felt like talking to her because she is a unique creature. I texted her. We had a chat. At the end of the day, I regretted it. And also, I had a bad, eating day. So, I had a breakdown. And that is when I recorded my podcast in stress. And if you haven't heard it, go hear it. I'm calling myself a bloody loser in the caption, I guess. Yeah. Oh my god. Today is pretty good. Today has been healthy. I wrote few things. I woke up on time. I had my smoothie. I did everything pretty good. I'm having dinner right now. It's 10:30. Oh, I haven't done my intro. I realized. Okay. So, it is 26th May 2021. Currently it is 10:30 p.m. I am having my dinner. Yeah, I think we are breaking our rules of recording a podcast next day and calling it the previous day. Guys, I think I'm gonna run out of things to talk about. But if I start thinking about what I should talk about, I come up with a lot of things. Like for example, today I ate mango dessert, mango custard, and it tastes amazing. After you have a spicy lunch, you should have that. Get some milk, like half a cup. Add, you know, just squeeze a mango into that. Mix it up. You get the, you have a great mango custard. Feels really good having that in the afternoon as it's hot. Also, hey, from the when I said hot, I realized that yesterday was so hot. I didn't work out as I told you, I didn't work out yesterday. I I wanted to go work out at 8 p.m. in the evening. I dressed up and I felt so hot. I was like, oh my god, what is this? So I removed all my clothes. I think I mentioned this yesterday. I don't know. Sorry. I mentioned this yesterday. I didn't work out yesterday. I was hot. I removed my clothes. I slept on my sofa in front of my AC. And today, I woke up and instantly I started working out. I worked out for like 30 to 45 minutes for my belly fat, and I did pretty good exercises. And then I ate properly. So if I eat like 3 to 4 meals properly with proper duration, 2 2 hours gap each, then my day is good. I don't need anything else. So I think right now my goal is to eat good and stay fit every single day. Walk as lot as I can in my house. Even though I'm sitting 8 hours on my sofa editing things for other people, I try to walk, take like 10-minute breaks every hour and walk here and there. Uh, Drink water a lot. I had like 2 bottles just today. I need to drink more. Yeah, I need to drink 4. So I keep just the bottle in front of me, or else I will keep forgetting. So I need to do that. I need to. There are some rashes on my hands. I also need to clear that. But I don't know how I will. Like my skin specialist had given me some, but you know how the process of applying this cream is? After you take a bath, you go in your bedroom, lock the door, go completely naked, take the cream, apply it on your hands and shoulders and legs, wherever the rashes are. Rashes, by rashes I mean there are like dots, like small dots, and these dots appear like go dark at night, and during the day after I take a bath they are very light, so not everybody can notices them, and it's a pretty common thing in a human body. Rashes are common, uh, but sometimes they can lead to like severe itching and all, so you should take care. But I don't feel any itching, so but I still look at my hand. I'm like, oh, I think I need to get rid of that. The rashes, rashes on my hands are like polka dots. Not my hands, my my triceps are like polka dots. If you don't know polka dots, go check it out. So I want to get rid of my rashes. I want to get rid of my black knee and black elbow. I think that is also because I edit all day. My elbows are on the table. uh, I think I should work on that. uh, what else, man? What else? Oh, let me eat. I haven't eaten. My dinner is cold now. Seven minutes 51 seconds I've been talking. Okay, I've written a show. I write ideas every day. um, I think I should talk more about my writing thing, how I write and my creative things also, instead of just talking about like my worries and what my goals are and how I could change them. I think I'll do that. I'll try doing that from tomorrow. Depends on my mood, how my mood is. If I'm negative and I keep talking about writing, I'll just shit myself up. So I'll try and just keep listening if you are, uh, because I don't know, subconsciously somewhere my intention is to uh, spread hope and kindness, but I don't talk. I don't keep that as a theme while I'm talking about things. I talk what I feel about, but I think it will. When you subconsciously think about it, it might represent hope. And that is it for today, I guess. I need to finish my dinner right now. So, tata.